Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange. If you are having problem with Windows update and you want to try to update to older version to new version for some application or something, sometime it won't update. If you update from the update and security like this, you click start setting, go to update and security. Here you try to download and update to the newer version. It won't happen. So how to do that manually? That so you can update your Windows 10 version to 1903. First we need to go to Microsoft website. This is the site. This is the update site. It is in my description box. You copy from there and paste it in your web browser. Then you'll get this kind of blue screen window. You need to search the particular update. The particular update for 1903 is this one, KV4501375. If you search it, all the updates are listed here. If you want this one AMD 64-bit or 32-bit or whichever version you want to download, you can check according to your OS and processor and you can download. Suppose I have 64-bit version, so I can download the first one, this one or this one, any one I can download. And like this, if you click here to download, it will go here and click here to download. Okay, you save on your PC and you can double click and do next, finish. It will install in your PC and restart your PC after that. That's it. You try it in your PC. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.